every day, late at night, not a
What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Chibet. If you're a returning subscriber, so thank you so much for coming back. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. So today I'm doing something different on my channel. I wanted like a ponytail kind of, and I wanted like something more, or like my hair something more afro. Now my so I wanted something more afro. I decided to buy the kinky hair and decided to do this. So if you want something like this, please watch the video till the end. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like it, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel as I said, and also leave a comment down below on what you think. Will you try it? What do you think about the hair? Is it nice? Is it beautiful? Yeah, so anyways, let's go straight into this video. So I am using the expression kinky hair for this hairstyle. You can use any kinky hair brand of your choice. I just decided to work with what I had, which was the expression hair. So this video is inspired by Seung. I don't know if I'm pronouncing her name right. I'll leave her details in the description box down below. You can check her out. She does a lot of natural hair videos. So I started by unraveling my hair. I had this twist before wash day, so I wanted to do a quick style before wash day to kind of like change things up, and that's why I resorted to this hairstyle. So I basically started by combing out my hair, but then at this point I realized my hair was dirty and I was contemplating whether to go ahead with the video or not. But then I am going to wash my hair after the hairstyle anyways, so I just decided to go with it. And I just realized I have a lot of split ends, guys. I need a trim. I definitely need one. So guys, I'm going to be using, I think two of this. Oopsie. So I went ahead and put the two bundle of kinky hair, and this is how it looks, guys. This is how full it is. So after that I decided to take a scrunchie. You can use any scrunchie and then put it in between the kinky hair in the middle so I can attach it to my hair. Sorry for the camera angle, guys, but I basically just looped it in so I can have so I can attach it to my hair easily. So this is how I did it. Yeah, so that's what I have, and I'm going to be attaching it to my natural hair. Before attaching the kinky hair onto my natural hair, I decided to braid out the rest of my hair into 3 different sections, and then I wrapped it around to to help secure the kinky hair better. You will see in a second. Yeah, so I basically wrapped it around and then use a scrunchie to kind of help it to stay in place. Now it's time to secure the kinky hair onto my natural hair. So basically what I did was to try and secure it onto my natural hair, the puff that I made. So yeah, the bond that I made. So when I tried to secure it and then try to put it in place, I realized I didn't like it that much. As you can see, it is hanging more like I don't know, a ponytail that is like going downwards instead of a high puff. So I didn't really like it, so I had to change it. I decided to cut it into half, like to cut it shorter so I can work with that, because I feel like this would give me more of like a puff look. Just like I just like put my natural hair into a bun kind of look. And yes, it turned out so great. This is how it looked after I cut the hair. So basically what I'm doing right now, I am basically trying to separate the strands to make it look natural and make it like look puffier, because this way it will make it look more natural, as I said, than the way it looked in the original state. So I definitely recommend separating it. It makes a difference. I loved it so far. You can see I really love the hair. Comment down below if you really like the outcome of it, and comment if this is something you're gonna try. You see, I was just feeling my hair, guys. At this point I was feeling like those natural hair influencers, if you know what I mean, like when they put their hair into a puff, the way it looks, that's how I'm feeling. I just feel like I grew my hair overnight. So that's the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also comment down below if you're gonna try this hairstyle. So yeah, I love it so far. Until next time, see you in my next video. Bye.